After you take the buy signal, every day you follow the risk circle. You follow the risk circle. As long as risk circle, you hold your position. If the share is a very strong share, very good share, you follow the risk circle. You get a super and very large profit. But if the share is very normal one, maybe after 2 or 3 days, will all the way drop down. And finally, turn back circle. If turn back circle you sell, maybe a small profit. So depends on you. Nobody can confirm and promise you this one will rise up or drop down. So you see, you know why somebody, they learn from both fundamental analysis and the technical analysis. They also cannot make profit because they got the misunderstanding about the fundamental analysis or technical analysis. Fundamental analysis, you must wait for a long while. And technical analysis, yes, can do the medium term and short term trading, but nobody can confirm every day's up or down. No indicator can tell you today is good, tomorrow is not good. No. No indicator can tell you tomorrow up or tomorrow down. Okay, only one thing, what you want to do, right? It's very important for you. Okay, another one. We check for the thing for this. Okay, for the shares we check. Okay, we check the 5GD, SunPower. Okay, SunPower, I remember that day I used the first circle, I got that. Then I find also the first circle, then penetrate the 4 yellow lines. Yes, correct. Then if you bought, that day drop down, right? Up and up today, right? It's good. So now feels better because the green color disappear. Red bar cross up purple line. Purple line is the 10 days moving average of red bar, so represent short term very strong. And also the closing price already penetrate this Z-W area, so it's good. SunPower. And let us to check another one for this. Check another one is okay. Check my slide. Okay, we check about the AIY iFast. AIY iFast. Okay, the same. You know, we always repeat what are strong shares or strong stocks. The candlestick should be above both yellow and red rainbow. Then we try to do the prediction, forecasting. Already 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see the same. When you got the first circle, sometimes just rose up then drop down, no profit. Sometimes rose up slowly, but sometimes rose up all the way up. You know, so John, can I just learn one way every time? Can I just choose one share and one way to buy? As long as I buy from first circle, then every day we move up. No, cannot find this way. Okay, and this time we got that. We find this one already hit a new high. Then how should we do? We know the forecasting. Yes, we have some way. I remember last time I shared with you this candle prediction. I used the low, right? I used the high. I got the forecasting. We check the forecasting, right? So it's from $8 something for 200%. It's for $7.60 is the first target. Today almost touched. Yes, already touched. I remember I forecast this one in my video last week. Okay, so 200% will be $8.10. Okay, iFast. Okay, another one is QES. QES China Sunshine. Okay, it's not this one. No, not this one. I check again. Okay, not this one. Sorry. And okay, QES now check. All the way right circle. Why this one I never got the data for today, but DBS and other share I got the data. No, 21. I need to. Okay, sorry, I remember already update the data, but why this one didn't appear? Okay, check. Okay, that's Franken. Today I already got the $1.77. Wow. Okay. Okay, check. Okay, I'm updating the data because just now I forgot to download the data. Okay, today later we will learn how to use the Sky Pontoon to apply some other strategy, because we have already learned the follow banker to profit and avoid the risk in the sky, and also some other strategy. Today we will learn something about the unearthed nuggets and also some other one. Okay, but somebody are very interested about the 4 power together, right? Somebody want to learn this. Okay, we'll review. Okay, check. Review last week SP. Yes, I will review. Never mind. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, today the DBS open higher, close lower. Then also the risk circle, but today the high price $30.33, $30.03. Then we got this chart. Okay, then we check about some other one. AIY, iFast. Okay, iFast already now $7.70. So I need to forecasting again, try to see as extended golden section from the low around here to the high around here. Yes, correct. Then we got this one, then we move down. Yes, just now I shared with you the 200% is around $8.10, but this one is a very conservative forecasting. I got another one I never show you, is I use the whole consolidation. If I use the whole consolidation to do a forecasting, will be higher. Okay, let me show you again. If I use the whole consolidation to do the forecasting, then the 200% will be around $8.50. This one will be a very big forecasting, right? Okay, for iFast. Okay. And Sun Power, we check Sun Power. Oh, Sun Power just already very close to the previous high. But remember, maybe not dangerous. Okay, why we check the QES? Because QES, I remember, got the first recircle. Yeah, okay. Oh, no wonder just now I cannot find the first recircle. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so you see, I got the first recircle, and I also got the blue rainbow support, and the weather got the bottom catch. Oh, bottom catch around here. So now the QES China Sunshine got the first recircle. But remember, okay, John, I don't want to trade the share because I'm worried about dangerous. Okay, now the first recircle below the yellow rainbow, so a little bit dangerous, I'm sure. But another thing is that If you want to make it safer, we can check about the MCD. MCD now, the red bar above the purple line and the green bar disappear. So if tomorrow close above the 54, confirm candlestick return back above yellow rainbow, so become black horse beating. And the resistance, yes, today the high already touched the short-term resistance around 535. Then the next very strong resistance around 57. Okay, 57. Okay, never mind. Yes, 57 will be the future resistance. Okay, and now we check one by one. Continue. Just now the data didn't download. Okay, now we check about the U96. U96. Sample industry. Sample industry also stronger than the other shares, because you see our STI, the candlestick below the yellow rainbow, but now sample industry, the candlestick above yellow rainbow and red circle, and we can find after these 2 days up and sideways, these 4 small candlestick both inside the body. Interesting. So it's like a potential hamburger, you see, pattern. You know, sometimes you need to imagine the future, the coming special candlestick pattern. It's like a hamburger, right? Yes. One long green bar inside the small body and the long green bar, and it's a hamburger pattern. So I think positive about this one, semiconductor industry. Okay. Then the resistance also around there. So the coming one should be around $2.10. So if the close can be above $2.10, should be very good. Okay. Then when we check about the Genting Singapore. Genting Singapore today, I find the volume very high, and we got some way to think it positive. Number one, yes, it's a black horse resting at the white rainbow. You know, this medium-term retracement from 94 all the way dropped to 76 something. Then now we got the support around white rainbow. Then we got the first circle. And also the volume today increased. So maybe now, not safe now, but maybe it's a good starting signal, right? Maybe it's a good start. Okay, maybe in the future can go up all the way and penetrate the yellow rainbow, then become the potential black horse speeding, right? It's sending signal. Then according to the chip distribution, we got some resistance. Okay, maybe the coming one is should be 85. Okay. Then we check the H02 and F9D. H02. Okay, I remember that day one of new member asked me, John, I missed the opportunity. You know, when I find it already second recircle, because the first day I find a recircle, I find the bottom catch, but I remember you teach me when the candlestick below the yellow rainbow, dangerous, only the aggressive trader can try. So you see how sometimes if I never try, this one will all the way down. Sometimes if I try, maybe, okay, I never try, maybe all the way up. If I try, maybe all the way down. John, I feel confused. You know, most time, you know why we have the index first, stock next, long term first, short term next, operate the formula. That means when the index looks not very dangerous, like the sideways uptrend, then the share you are very familiar with, you got the confidence, and now you also find the strong support, even though the red circle, the bottom catch appear below the yellow rainbow. You also got the confidence to try. Never mind. So most time you see how you can make money continuously in the market depends on how much research you have done for your market, for your shares, right? Then what happened? Penetrate yellow rainbow, yes. Today goes up, right? Very good. We check about the F9D. I remember last Thursday evening, I got the YouTube live and somebody tapped in this code number, but I never do the check because I think this one was long term, no change. But I find finally this one got a yes consolidation breakout. Cool. So according to the very classical proverb, okay, how long about the time duration of the consolidation, then how high will the price will go? So for Mandarin is 横有多长，竖有多高. That means how long about the time duration, okay, then how high will the price go? It's very difficult to translate. If somebody you know how to translate 横有多长，竖有多高, please try to reply to me. I can reply to my WhatsApp or other one, okay? Then maybe in the next time I can express this one better. Okay, this one is the F9D. Then we got that. Then we find the next one. AEM and the UMS. AEM. How about AEM now? AEM now also the risk cycle? No, not yet. But today, intraday already penetrate, already turned first risk cycle, but then failed. So we also also inside the white rainbow. So represent also got the resistance. So at least we got the first risk cycle. So AEM also not very good. Don't try to buy so earlier. We need patience to wait. Okay. Wow. So many translation. Okay, we check another one. UMS 558. Okay, you see, sometimes you see like this. You got the bottom catch, you got the green color, you got the first circle, then drop down. That's why somebody said, John, why sometimes I follow the first circle, I make a profit, but sometimes I lose. Yes, that's about the chart. Okay, it's a possibility. Another one. DBS and Singapore Airlines. DBS already checked, also very strong. C6L, Singapore Airlines. I think also not strong, just said we here. Maybe in the future we got the potential, but let us to check the potential resistance level. We check. And we got the future stronger one for the resistance is around $4.95 for this one. Okay, it's a Singapore Airline. Okay, today we try to review some basic parts for the Sky Pontoon. Then we try to review some trading strategy for Sky Pontoon. Number one, Sky Pontoon, we have some very basic parts. For the red bar, we call them is bullish bridge arch. So it's a medium term bullish. So when white bar turn red bar is medium term buy signal. When red bar turn white color, okay, represent the medium term sell signal. So the white bar represent the bearish bridge arch. Then the main control intensity represent the light green. So the light green above the horizontal, we call that is the main control intensity, right? So last class we share with you when the light green, okay, together with pink, also red is very good, right? But when the four power together we use is the pink, light green, and the white inside the purple color, okay? Then I share with you the pink color, that is the bullish banker follower. So when the blue bar turn the pink part, it's short-term buy signal. Because the blue bar represent the bearish banker follower. So when the pink color turn the blue color, is short-term sell signal, right? When price all the way drop, when the price so far away from the value, or sometimes you can think the moving average something, whatever. But remember, the minus green represent the green bar below the horizontal, represent the value attraction, okay? Value attraction. So as long as you drop too fast, too deep, and too far away from the moving average or from the normal level, so this one will become longer, right? When you try to stop dropping down further, try to rebound, the green bar below the horizontal line will turn short, okay? Then we got this yellow triangle represent the alert, because the background color is purple color. When background color represent the selling pressure chips can touch more than 90%, then this one will appear. But when we are very low, we drop a lot, maybe this one will become very low, sometimes less than 10 or become 0, right? So that's so many parts. We call that is gold bar. Gold bar is a bottom cash signal, but only gold bar, you take the signal to buy, very dangerous and very aggressive, okay? Okay, so yellow triangle represent alert because of the purple color, the background represent the selling pressure chips touch more than 90%. Okay, let us have a look at some chart and some strategy. Number one, far heaven. Number two, four power together and walk with dainty steps and follow banker to profit. Unearth nuggets. Avoid risk in sky. Little gray with pink. Okay, and today we try to review some things we learned in last class. Okay, we open I fast. Then we change right side, Sky Pontoon. What happened? We find so many things. Okay, one by one. Remember, do you remember which day is four power together? Yes. Four power together means purple, no purple, sorry. It's a pink color, white color, and light green color. This three bar inside the purple color. That is a four power together. It's a buy point. Okay, then this day we cannot think that is the four power together because no green color. But remember, can we call some other one that is the four power together? Yes, let me show you. Last time we share with you which one we also can call that is the four power together. Let me share with you the special signal for four power together. We can see maybe because this one very special, need to find. Okay, maybe we'll change to another share like the 5GD sun power. For sun power today, we can call that is four power together. No, because the pink color a little bit higher, right? But then we can find some special one. Sometimes remember, even though the white color not appear, we can also think that is a 4 power together. Okay, so it's different. You remember. Okay, one by one. So, later I will explain the questions. We try to learn the things first, right? Number one, Far Haven is very aggressive short-term trading. 4 power together, safe trading. Okay, walk with 20 steps, the mini wave trading. And follow banker to profit, only trade the strong area. Do you remember? Light gray turn dark gray to sell, right? But the foundation is all the way red bar. So only trade the strong area. Unearth nuggets, bottom catch. Avoid risk in the sky. Avoid the medium term drop and top. Okay. A little gray with pink, aggressive short term trading. Okay. I want to share with you some special one. Today we try to see one by one. What is follow banker to profit? Yes, foundation is all the way red bar, represent the medium term uptrend. Then light gray turn dark gray to buy. Oh no, light gray appear to buy. Then dark gray appear to sell. It's follow banker to profit. Today we learn a new one. Okay. The name is walk with the Dante steps. Okay. Red bar is foundation. Then pink bar appear to buy and blue bar appear to sell. Okay. Better that the pink bar above the red bar, because last Monday somebody asked me this question. Okay, we check what is the walk with 20 steps, because red bar foundation, then pink bar appear to buy, blue bar appear to sell. Better the pink bar above the red bar. What does it mean? Yes, like this. Okay, we check about the chart to see where is the chart. Okay, like this. Like the AIY, I fast. And when to buy and when to sell, if we based on this, we can check. Okay, this one not clear. We check to another one. Is maybe we use the U96. Check. Okay, like this chart, sometimes the pink color above the red color we can buy like this around here. You see, pink color, yes, pink color appear, and the foundation is red bar, right? And also at the same time, pink bar above the red bar. So it's cool. All the way hold, all the way hold. When to sell? Yes, all the way to sell around here, because the pink bar turn blue bar. So that is the buy signal around here. Then all the way you hold as long as it's a pink color, right? And it's the blue bar, you sell around here, right? But sometimes it's dangerous. Or we don't like this one. You see, it's red bar, but what happened? When the pink bar appear, but the pink bar below the red bar. So the pink bar below the red bar, you can buy all the way, all the way, all the way. Pink button blue, we sell. But this one is not the best, because the pink bar all the way below the red bar. It's not perfect. Like this time again, right? I'm sure you know what this. But this one no filter, because it's not the perfect one. So that is a new one. Okay. And today, the most important thing is we should learn the unearthed nuggets. Okay. For unearthed nuggets, there are 4 conditions, but number 3, okay, you can consider, if you got number 3, it's best. If you have no number 3, also can apply. Okay, number 1, after the price all the way drop, we can see gold bar inside the minus gray bar. We call them is value attraction. Then number 2, the background, the purple color, or think is purple chips. Okay, the name is selling pressure chips lower than 10. Okay, then number 4, the value attraction, the bar becomes shorter. Okay, and number 3, if you got, perfect. If you don't have, also can apply it. Okay, it's white bar already lower than 20, and most share cannot touch this condition. Okay, and now we check the things. Like this time, you want to do the bottom case. Maybe we check the Genting Singapore, right? Genting, all the way drop. Okay, remember, if you want to check the gold bar clearly, should enlarge the chart. Don't try to use a very long range. Okay, must zoom in. We change to Sky Pontoon. Then you see one by one, enlarge. Okay, we can see enlarge, all the way drop. Okay, can we see the background color drop and drop? Wow, very low already, right? I'm sure less than 10, right? Number 1, the background color less than 10. Then can we see the gold bar? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So many, right? And another one is the minus gray bar. We call them is value attraction. Already become shorter? Yes, become shorter. Can you see the gold bar? Yes, I see the gold bar. So you see every day, you see already the bar becomes shorter, right? I got the gold bar and become shorter. So now I already got the filter for Genting Singapore is a bottom catch, you see. And if you try to combine, compare with the history, like this time, maybe this one or this one, last year after the drop in March because of COVID-19. So the Genting Singapore now touched the previous high and also got the unearthed nuggets for Sky Pontoon. Confirm. And also I remember I share with you is the first recycle, right? So cool. I got that. But I think it's not the 4 power together. 4 power together, we need wait for a gray bar, like gray bar, right? Also the pink, white, and light gray must all inside the purple color, right? Okay, so that is the unearthed nuggets. Okay, Genting Singapore. And I remember we also got a filter. When you open the filter, you open the other signal, then you can see the left side, Sky Pontoon, Far Haven, little gray with pink, unearthed nuggets, right? And 4 power together. Which one? We try this unearthed nuggets from Earth filter. But remember, today the Genting Singapore may be not in the list because already rose up. Maybe 1 day or 2 days ago we can filter. We can try it first. Unearthed nuggets filter. Try to see whether it's correct. Wow, this one dropped a lot. It's a penny stock. Yes, also drop a lot. Wow, you see? Kofu, wow. Okay. So every day, so this one will filter earlier than today. for Genting, right? Because Genting today already first recycle. Maybe we change to 22. No, 21 to 22. Last Thursday to Friday, we try again. We filter how many stocks can got the unearthed nuggets from last Thursday to Friday. Maybe we check what happened. Auxiliary check. Oh yes, around here. Jardine CNC, yes. Chip Insing. Wow. StarHub. Wow, StarHub drops down so much already. See? Yes, Genting. You see, Genting. Right. Got it. Genting. Yes, Genting. You see. But John, I want to know very accurately which day you got Genting. Okay. Maybe we try 22nd. Okay. One day. Filter 22nd or 21st. We check. Maybe it should be 21st. Because 22nd already rose up, maybe. Okay, we check. We check. 21st. So should be 21st. Okay. 21st. Oh, should be that day. Okay, cool. Okay. That is how I filter the Sky Pontoon. Okay. Then, so it's a very cool one. Okay. Then that is the bottom cache. Remember, the gold bar, we must enlarge to check. Okay. Somebody said, John, can I use the US share to check? Yes. Maybe we can check the, which one? Okay, because now many shares drop a lot. You can check, like the thing is maybe like the PLTR. I think already dropped down so much. Then we got cannot. The background looks not very nice. Maybe we check another one. Maybe like the Baidu. Okay, we enlarge. Okay, Baidu, yes, got that. You see, the background color already lower than 10, right? And we got the gold bar. Then this one becomes shorter. White bar, no need less than 20. Okay, this one should be, which one? Should be Baidu. Okay, we check some other one. JD.com. Okay. We got 3 days, the value attraction becomes shorter and got the gold bar inside, right? And also the background color less than 10. Yes, that is the unearthed nuggets. So that one is an aggressive bottom cache signal. Remember, okay? Okay. So it's easy to understand, right? Okay. Now, let me share with you the opposite way. You know, most time you are worried about that. John, if I just buy low to catch the bottom, very dangerous. But sometimes when I see the filter, I find, what, John, so many crazy filter one, you see? Far haven, very aggressive short-term trading. And another one is a little gray with pink, aggressive short-term trading. You know, you don't want to do the bottom catch. Sometimes the downtrend will continue hit a new high, very dangerous. But another way is somebody want to chase the strong shares. So if you have the courage to chase, you can choose the far haven and little gray with pink. But in Singapore, not easy. But when in last year, like the market in Hong Kong, in US, you can try. Okay, let me show you what is far haven and what is the little gray with pink. Very aggressive short-term trading, and you want to chase high. We check. Okay, first, we just do one thing. We all the way just return back. Later, please try to later send the message because because maybe later I try to do the Q&A. And now we use the filter. Okay, we got this. See? 4 power together we learned already, right? So represent pink, light gray, and white. Sometimes no white. Okay, 3 inside the background purple color. Yes, it's a very safe buy signal. And unearthed nuggets from Earth is the bottom catch. You already learned. But remember, how about these 2? Far Heaven and little green with pink. Very, very aggressive trading and to chase high. Okay, now I share with you. Okay. Where do you put the cursor to see value lower than 10? You see? Right? This is a hit, right? I got 93, right? You see 93 around here, right? You see every day you put at the top level. Understand? Okay, you see? And put every day the hit. Okay, now I will try to see to that one is for the thing which will filter. Okay. Far Heaven. Today we got Far Heaven. No, it's not easy. 24. Far Heaven is a very aggressive buy signal. Only better in the crazy bull market and the crazy bull share you can apply. In Singapore, you see 4-F INDA Infracom. You want to try? John, I never want to try this kind of share. You know why we call that is a Far Heaven? Because normal share, we can see the light gray, but most time the light gray should be inside the blue area. But sometimes when your share is so strong, wow, this light gray will penetrate the sky into the galaxy. Like the Tesla, like the SpaceX, like the satellite to galaxy. So wow, this one that are already super strong. So when you saw the light gray can penetrate the sky, you want to buy tomorrow, you chase the high, like the chart last time, like this. You see, you can check the history around here when we can call it Far Heaven. You see, yes, that day is the first day the light gray penetrate the sky. You see, the blue area is sky, the light bar higher than the sky. Then you buy next day, you chase the high. Wow, it's super crazy. Maybe like some very strong share, you can do that. 4-F INDA Infracom. Today is Far Heaven. Oh, this one cannot. Okay, maybe we check another market. We check the Hong Kong market. Okay, maybe better. Hong Kong market filter. You know why I didn't use the US market to do the example? Because US market, when I filter, will waste a lot of time. Okay, Asia market easier, right? Okay. Far Heaven. So what meaning is Far Heaven? It's the light gray bar, the first day penetrate the sky. It's a very aggressive and very short-term trading. But this kind of things, if you follow, you buy, and every day, every minute, you must monitor, right? As long as you find not good, you must sell intraday. Wow. Yes, you see, one day, just penetrate the sky. Crazy, you see. Before the day, all the buy inside the sky. You see, now, wow, first day. This one is a super strong one, you see. Crazy. Okay, that is number 1, 00269. The next one, maybe China Environment Tech. Wow, you see, crazy, like this sign, you see. Another one, yes. We join, I think this one is too high already. I don't want to chase so high. And another one also can try is, another one is little gray with pink. We try little gray with pink. Then we try Singapore market. Singapore market, filter, other signal, little gray with pink. Then we filter, we try little gray with pink. This one also very high and also very dangerous, but looks better, looks a little bit lower than the far heaven. Okay, we try. I will explain what does it mean for little gray with pink. Open Sky Pontoon. Okay, little gray with pink represent that. Okay, it's also very high, but better. Okay, let me explain what does it mean. Okay, John, I find this is the 4 power together. Yes, it's 4 power together because how to say, the gray and pink, white, 3 together, 3 in 1, right, inside the purple color. But remember, another thing is the light gray high enough, long enough, already engulf the pink. So if you find your light gray long and high enough can penetrate the sky, is far heaven. It's a super aggressive trading. But another one is, John, I don't want to chase so high, but I want to try another one is maybe light gray is high or long enough to cover, to engulf the pink. Okay, so this is little gray with pink. You see? Yes, little gray with pink. Okay, John, this one looks not so high. Yes, and little gray, yes, you see. The light gray, the light gray, light gray, light gray, light gray. Wow, light gray already engulf. Can think, okay, engulf all can high or long engulf enough can cover the pink bar. Okay. Yes, John, why I need to buy this? Okay, John, you see, wow, now already so high. You let me to buy. Wow. You are good guy or bad guy, you let me to buy so high. Okay, this one you see the light gray high enough to cover the pink color. Then if you try to see the history around here, you see what happened around here. Which day the light gray just cover the pink, cover the pink, cover the pink. Yes, you see. The light gray still far away from the pink, far away, together and cover, you see, cover the pink. Yes, and after that day, if you got the courage to buy, you see what happened, also move up, right? But John is a far heaven because the light gray high enough can penetrate the sky. Yes, okay, it's different. Okay, so now can we try to review How about the little green with pink? Okay, we try out. Maybe we try some share like the AIYI fast. John, today can we think that is little green with pink? No, not strong enough. But if we try to return back, forward back forward, which day do you think that is the little green with pink? And which day is far heaven? With John, I remember. How to confirm whether my share is strong or not? Only one thing, in fact, is light green. As long as every day is light green, and light green higher and higher and high, very high, represent your share so strong. So which day is four power together? John, I see. I know everything now. Yes. I can think this day is four power together because pink, white, light green inside the purple background color. It's a safe buy signal. Yes, correct. But then later, I find the light green already high enough and cover the pink. So that is the, yes, cool. It's the little green with pink. And then, wow, crazy. This day, the light gray all the way move up, already penetrate the blue sky. Wow, that is the far heaven. And then the light gray turn dark gray. I should sell because I don't want to explore the risk for short term. Yes, correct. Do you understand this tree? Okay. If you understand this tree, I repeat again, this area is the four power together because white bar, pink bar, light green inside the purple color. And this day, the first day, the light green high enough to cover the pink color. So it's a little green with pink. Then that day is far heaven. And light green turn dark green. I want to sell. It's a follow banker to profit to sell. If you can understand this, all the different period, can you reply 3 in the chat room? Because I want to check whether you can follow me. Okay, cool. So you see sometimes the light green with pink not too high, but the far heaven, wow, most people don't want to buy anymore. Too high already, right? If you don't have in the courage enough, nobody want to choose. Okay. This is one translation from a member. 横有多长，竖有多高。The longer the consolidation, the higher it will go up. I repeat, the longer the consolidation, the higher it will go up. I think I can remember. The longer the consolidation, the higher it will go up. Good. I can understand. I think it's good way. Okay, now I think everybody already understand what I share with you about the Sky Pontoon. Okay, I want to repeat again for this seven. Okay, try to take a photo. This 7, right? Far heaven, light green penetrate the blue sky. Very aggressive short-term trading. After you bought every minute, monitor. Then the latest sell signal is the light green turn dark green. 4 power together is a safe trading. Okay, the white, pink, and light green inside the background purple color. Sometimes no white. Good. Number 3, walk with dentist steps. Mini wave trading. Yes, pink bar above the red bar. You can hold. Pink bar appear, you buy. Pink bar, you hold. Pink bar turn dark blue, you sell. Yes, correct. Follow banker to profit. Only trade the strong area. What does it mean? Yes. Red bar is foundation. Then pink bar, light gray appear, you buy. Dark gray appear, you sell. Yes. Unearthed nuggets, bottom catch. Okay, 3 conditions. If you got 4 conditions, perfect. But no need for condition. Number 1, after drop, you got gold bar. Then you can see the background color, purple color, selling pressure chips less than 10, right? Or 0. And the value attraction, the minus gray bar, becomes shorter. Number 4, if the white bar below 20, perfect. Okay, then number 6, avoid risk in the sky. Yes, when the yellow triangle appear because of the purple chips touch 90%. Then you find blue bar appear, you sell first or you hold. But when you see the purple background colors drop below red bar, you must sell. Number 7, little gray with pink, also another aggressive short-term trading, but looks better and a little bit lower than far heaven. That is the light gray bar can engulf the pink bar. Okay, I'm sure you already got this 7 strategy. Perfect, right? Okay, now we try to switch to our Q&A session. Now, if you got some questions, can tag in the chat room. Okay. Finally, we switch to this session. John 5292 today only got 3 power, but got built. You got the 光头光脚大阳线. Okay, the strong candlestick. First we say, what's your advice? Okay, 5292, the Malaysia share. Are you from Malaysia? Yes, I'm from Malaysia. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Okay, I find the thing is yes, that is the, okay, but this one no light gray. And yes, it's a no up shadow, no lower shadow. And first red circle, yes, very good. Whether got some other signal or do you check some other one? Yes, already penetrate the longer one. So short term, I think got the possibility to move up, and long term should be uptrend. Yes, and also touch the strong support and also the previous low and high. You know, previous high, previous low. Should be good. For me, I think the chart is good. Only one thing is not light gray. Maybe later you got light gray, then become the 4 power together, right? Or 4 generation together. Okay, it's fine. For US, C limited is a bottom catch. All 4 power together, can buy or not? C limited, check C limited. For this one should be, I think for me, I will think is like, yes, for me, I will take it for the unearthed nuggets. And now should like, I think it's not the 4 power together, right? Because pink not inside, right? So it's a very good bottom catch. It's unearthed nuggets because we can check this day, the bar, the purple color below 10, then gold bar, yes, and become shorter, the value attraction, yes, cool. So I think it's unearthed nuggets, not 4 power together. Little gray is light gray. Yes, should be. I don't know why we got this name. Sometimes I don't know how my colleague in China they do the translation. 10 years ago, I also do some translation. Now, when I browse some of my translation, wow, I feel so funny. But I also cannot change. Okay, maybe we should do a big change for the translation. Teacher, can you please check the Sing-Song Sky Pontoon? Yes. We eat Sing-Song. Now every day I go to Sing-Song to buy something. But I find only that they drop. Then what I find today got the red bar is good one, the bullish one for medium term. But no strong signal for because we hope we got the light gray. So short term still not strong, but for medium term already turned red is a good signal. SQ also unearthed nuggets. Let me check unearthed nuggets. SQ square, right? Yes, perfect. It's a perfect one. Should be unearthed nuggets. And also, if we check, should be consolidation low. Got the support, right? And chips distribution. Chips not strong, but it's a previous low set we, and also the background color less than 10, then the value attraction shorter, we got many gold bar. Yes, now it's bottom catch for unearthed nuggets, correct? Square. One by one, let me have a rest. Can you show golden nuggets parameters again? Want to screenshot? Oh my god. Okay, can. Which one? Oh, this one. Number one, you got the gold bar. Number two, purple chips lower than 10. Number three, no need sometimes, right? Not its auxiliary one. It's a white bar be lower than 20. And value attraction is a -3, become shorter. Okay. I think you already screenshot, right? Okay, I will switch to next question. Okay, good. Check. Okay. If we find a stock that is unearthed nuggets but under the yellow rainbow, is it safe to buy? This question should be not a question. When you find a bottom catch, this one should be never about yellow rainbow. No? So bottom catch is bottom catch. If according to this bottom catch, you think now already touched the strong support, you are familiar with the chart, you got the confidence, and you think the general market trend is good, try to buy some position. If you are not familiar with the share, no support, and you are not confident about the market, don't try. So you see, when you ask this question, I want to repeat again to all the new member, especially for new member and some member, why you learn but always cannot make progress faster. Different kind of buy signal and strategy different. Don't try to combine with all the things. When you are new member, you learn from the personal coach one. John, my price should be about yellow rainbow. Read bar of MCD should be about 15. No. If everything like this, candlestick above yellow rainbow, red bar above 50. Only one thing can appear. In current market, only the super strong share can satisfy this condition. Your bar above yellow rainbow, right? Then your MCD red bar above 50. And also like the last year, 3D market, very bullish market. Yeah, most of the share can touch this condition. But when the market in a volatile market or retreats, you want to do the bottom cash. John, I never want to do the bottom cash. Okay, you never want to do the bottom cash. Don't try to apply this. But remember, bottom cash got some different thing. You see, just now, somebody asked me square. Square, now it's sideways, volatile. You think this one is got the support. You want to buy a little bit first. You got the confidence. You want to buy first. You buy. You don't want to buy. You wait. You wait for the okay, John, I'll wait for the first recycle. Already got the first recycle. I want to wait for the yellow rainbow penetration. Yes, you can wait for yellow rainbow penetration. So remember. This question, you know what I mean? Okay. Like I share with you, 3 steps of position building. What the 3 steps of position building? Do you remember? Last time I shared with you, like the UMS. When the UMS dropped a lot because of the bad performance of last year Q4, this gap, then all the way drop and all the way drop. But if you want to buy earlier, we use the first recycle. Can buy? Yes. And never want to wait for yellow rainbow penetration. Yes, can. But you need to explore the risk. So if you want to do the 3 steps, you buy first. Then rainbow penetration, add. Then add again. Maybe retrace, I add again. 1, 2, 3. Or you only choose one, any one. I only choose the first one, short-term rebound. I only choose number 2. I only choose number 3. Number 3 is the last. But for me, sometimes this one too late. MCD red bar more than 50. Yes. More than red purple line. Yes. Candlestick above the yellow rainbow. Yes. But too late. So remember, not means your share price above yellow rainbow, above red rainbow, MCD above 50. Not means it's good. So sometimes when I explain to the investor, if every day you want to know where is good, where is bad, okay, I think you still need to learn. In fact, not means any place, anywhere is good. Depends on which kind of strategy you want to take and how about the current situation, right? Okay, the thing is that maybe I expand too much. Okay, what is your view of STI? STI I already repeat again. I think maybe if this late May, I think until now, I think no big change. Maybe I think early June. And also another thing is I think government maybe don't want to return back to another CB 2.0. So I think not easy for us to forecast how about the government policy and how about the medical share. But the thing is that we choose some share we are familiar with better. I think this year, this June to July, got an opportunity, but it's not the very big opportunity. Better to choose some share you are familiar with. Is mRNA or nuggets? mRNA. Oh, I think it's not, because the purple color may, you see, cannot be lower than 10, right? But now got the first red circle already. I think it's a good signal because above the yellow rainbow. So confirm is stronger share, you know. Now the market like this one stronger than the market, right? And Nasdaq below the yellow rainbow. So it's a stronger share, but not the nuggets, because the purple color less than 10, or not less than 10. Based on the change of a calendar date. Yes. Okay, because you know why I'm very am much impressed by the early June, because early June got a special solar terms 芒种. You know, in my hometown, the northeast part of China now is I think it's very busy for farmer to do the farming. They sow the seed. Then so I think it's the last days. So most people will finish the farming in this week, I think, because the next turning point of early June is 芒种. It's a special solar terms related to the agriculture. Means before that day you must sow the seed. If late, no meaning. In my hometown. Okay, so let me show you like the STI in 2019. You see what happened? Okay, first, last year, if I pull the cursor around here, you check what happened. This one is 9 June, because last year the market rose up a lot, so early June turned down. It's a turning point, you see. But last year is different, right? If you check 2019, better. What happened? From the late April all the way dropped to the earlier June. The earlier June, you see around here, 4th June, turning point. So now I think the earlier June is a right point. I forgot to take my calendar. I never take my calendar to home. So if you have the calendar, you check the first one in June. I think it should be 6 June, 666, but I forgot. If you have calendar, you can check now. How about the Jumia? 6, yes, 5, yeah. Roughly every year should be 5 or 6 June. Like the, another one, in Singapore, we have a special one. There's a beginning of the spring, Li Chun. You know Li Chun? Li Chun in China, right? Li Chun is, in Singapore, we prefer to deposit money because it's the first solar terms each year. So everybody go to the bank, ATM, somebody check their birthday, then to know what time is the best timing for them to deposit money, right? So it's very important for you, right? But this one every year the same. Okay. We check. Oh yes. Okay. Li Chun should be confirmed is 3 to 5 February, and this one is the 芒种, confirmed is the 5 or 6 June. Very important solar terms. This is a very important lunar calendar So it's a Chinese culture. Okay, very important for us. Before you learn in Homily, you don't know this one very important for your trading, but now you know, right? And we check some other question. Okay, and if you also have some question, also can tap in the chat room. Not able to comprehend things. Things seem to get complicated. Yes, I also think so. For power, better or unearthed matter is better for bottom cash. Yes, and unearthed better for bottom cash. STI pink bar appear. Does not it means reversal? Okay, check STI. Yes, pink bar appear is good. And but the thing is that the most important thing you see, for me, I already shared with you, the most important thing should be not pink. If you want to buy, how to say, you are not aggressive trader, you must wait for red bar. But if you want to buy earlier, I think light gray, very important for you, like this, light gray, you see? First light gray. So if you want to buy, I give you one recommendation or advice. Maybe at least we can see a light gray bar, right? Better. Okay, continue to check our message. Three new message. Check. Jumia 只说了一半。Okay, we check Jumia again. Sorry. Can you share your last prediction based on Fibonacci using 13 and 21? Yes, can. Send June calendar to your WhatsApp. Check. Okay, sorry. Thanks. Joy. Thanks. Okay. We check the Jumia. Yeah, Jumia just now haven't finished. Wow, Jumia already confirmed. Got, yes, you see the purple color less than 10, got the 2 days gold bar and become shorter. Now, what happened? Now Jumia got a very cool one. It's 2 days, light gray already cover or engulf the pink. So it's a little gray with pink. So it's good. Yeah, it's good. Right? You see? 2 days, the light gray, long or high enough can cover the pink, right? It's good. Okay, we check the Fibonacci. If check the Fibonacci 13 and 21, we can use the T Fibonacci from this one is high. Now 13, 14, 15. Then we got another 6 trading days. 6 trading days. You can try to count and get. It should be around very close to 5th June. I'm not sure. I need to check. Today is the Monday. Wow, today is Monday. Then next Monday will be 31st. Okay, roughly around there. Okay. Gray overshoot purple. 7 tips. Yes, it's represent short-term strong enough. Let you have the courage to chase for short-term trading. Yes, so you see, light gray is very important for this indicator. For me, I think in this indicator, the most important 2 parts is the light gray and the purple color. These 2 are most important parts for this indicator. other parts are not very important, very how to say, very normal or very common. The most important part should be light green and the background purple chips. These two are very important for you. Okay, any other questions? First pink, not reliable. Can we scan for first pink to buy? No. You see, I also don't know why our colleague only show this 4 filter. You see, far heaven, the light green penetrates sky, little green with pink. Yeah, the light green can cover the pink, and unearthed nuts. Yes, nuggets, not nuts. Okay, 4 power together. Yes, we only got this 4. Of the 7 strategies, which one deals solely with selling and the rest? Yes, I remember I shared with you already. Only the avoid risk in sky, only sell signal. And the unearthed nuggets, only buy signal. And far heaven and lady green with pink is very short term buy signal. So after you bought, as long as you make money, as long as you monitor not good, you can sell anytime. But the latest sell signal is light green turn dark green. So far heaven and follow banker to profit, and the little green with pink. The latest sell signal is light green turn dark green. But the walk with 20 steps is pink to blue to sell, right? Okay. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Because these 2 Mondays, I repeat English teaching about the Sky Pontoon. For me, I think it's a challenge because Sky Pontoon is very complicated. Just now somebody also text in the chat room, because in Mandarin I can explain better, explain well, because it's Mandarin, my mother language, and so complicated indicators. In English is a little bit difficult, but I already finished. So I hope in the future, if I have the opportunity, I will explain more in other indicators in English. But I hope you can let more of your friends, your Homily members to attend my English class. If less people attend, and we'll waste the class, right? And okay, I want to share with you next some schedule for you. It's very important for you. Okay, if you already download the data and open the time schedule, let me show you some special class in this week. First, because of this Wednesday is a public holiday, so this Wednesday, the class, usually our Wednesday class on 7 to 9 p.m. So this Wednesday is public holiday. So teacher Robert Xu, this class about the potential strong sector stocks in June in Mandarin is 2 to 4 p.m. not evening, because we consider this public holiday. Maybe you got the more time for dinner. Okay, now cannot dinner in restaurant, but never mind. So we prefer public holiday. So this one changed from normal 7 to 9 p.m. to 2 to 4 p.m. Okay. You know, this Monday, okay, afternoon, WhatsApp, the customer service also send you, right? So don't forget to check. Then another one is this Wednesday morning, because Wednesday is public holiday. So Wednesday morning we got the bottom catch expert. If you are the members who already bought this bottom catch expert before, don't forget to attend this Wednesday morning, 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. This for 3 steps of opening position at bottom. Is special for bottom catch expert, especially for some members you have bought this product. And the Thursday morning, yeah, the same. The morning is the live Homilychart live intraday class by Prevail by. Okay, the Wednesday morning also Prevail by. And next Monday is only for VIP member, our lifelong member. You know, VIP member. So, but next Monday is Mandarin. Because I find now US and Singapore is volatile market. It's very hard to make profit. So the topic is maximum profit in volatile market. If you have time and if you can understand Mandarin, try to attend my seminar next Monday. But it's Mandarin, right? So I think now the time is close to 9 p.m. Oh, perfect. 9 p.m. So I finished everything, and now I check your message. Okay. Fibonacci time zone starts from high point or low point. Now you are in the retracement. Should select the previous high. Now in the uptrend, you should select the low point. Are you clear? Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you for your time.